I seek your Lordship's indulgence.
Yes.
You have been mentioning from item 9 and 10. If these two matters may come up after a week, they're clubbed together. I have taken the consent of the counsel for the respondents.
Okay, as paid for by Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the petitioner. Appellants and not objected to by the other side. List the matter again after a week.
I'm on.
I seek your Lordship's indulgence in mentioning part 2, item number 12, my Lord. This case is handled by Ms. Selnun Hui. She's having some fixed item today, so she has requested me to fix the matter for tomorrow.
She's having?
Of other fixed items in the other courtrooms.
Who's for the other side?
Well, Fakoma. I have taken the consent of the other parties.
You want it tomorrow?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay, as paid for on behalf of Ms. Lelnan Louis, learned state government advocate appearing for the state respondents and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned today to be listed again tomorrow. Please give the date.
19.
I seek your Lordship indulgence in mentioning item number 11. My senior, Miss Dinarity Azul, her mother is being hospitalized today. So if this matter may come up again after 2 weeks.
Okay. Ms. Dinarity Azul, learned counsel appearing for the petitioners, is said to have some personal difficulties to appear before the court today. Stop on a prayer made on her behalf and not objected to by the other side. Matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. As paid for.
Oblige.
For orders, item number 4.
My Lord, in this matter, LCR is received and paper book will be required, my Lord.
You're for the...
I'm for the sole respondent.
Yes, what do you say?
Your Honor, we called for a LCR.
LCR is here. Paper book will be required. Okay, parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that paper book will be required. Stop. It is seen that the LCR has been duly received and therefore office to prepare the paper book at the cost of the appellant. Next para, list the matter again once the paper book is served to the learned counsels for the parties in the orders column.
Job.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, there is a delay of 14 days in filing the connected to
Any
review
objection?
petition.
Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that this application is filed seeking condonation of 14 days delay in filing the connected appeal.
Petition, review petition.
Filing the connected review petition. Stop. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel appearing for the sole respondent, submits that he has no objection if the delay is condoned. Stop. In view of above, the delay of 14 days in filing the connected review petition stands condoned. IA stands disposed of as allowed. Then, this review, when?
Your Lordship, I may be given some time to file my objection.
How much time? 1 week? 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Your Honor.
Okay. The delay in filing the instant review petition has been condoned by order dated 18/11/2024, and therefore the instant review is taken up. Mr. Lal Fakoma, learned counsel for the review petitioner, who submits that the judgment and order dated, what is the date? (13/8/2024) passed by this court in RSA number 2 of 2022 should be reviewed in view of the not in view of the, we cancel that, on the basis of the grounds taken by the review petitioner. Next para, issue notice returnable by 2 weeks. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel, appears for the sole respondent. Stop. As such, no formal notice is required. Not stop, you put comma instead, huh? Before as such. No formal notice is required. Petitioner shall serve extra copy of the review petition to Mr. A.R. Malhotra, if not already done. List the matter again after 2 weeks. Objections, if any, may be filed in the meantime.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
Your Lordship, this is an implement application filed for implement review incumbents as respondent 8 and 9 had been taken over by the present incumbent.
What are the names?
Respondent number 8 is Director of Land Revenue and Settlement Department, and respondent number 9 is Secretary, Home Department.
What is their name?
Respondent 8 is K. Vanal Chiana. Respondent 9 is Dr. Renu Sharma.
9 is?
Dr. Renu Sharma, Secretary of Home Department.
No, you want to implead her as a party?
Is Your Lordship, if I may be kindly, if Your Lordship may kindly implead the new incumbents as respondent 10 and 11.
Yes, I'm asking you their names. What are the names?
Respondent, the new Secretary of Home Department is Vanal Moya, and the new Director of Land and Revenue Settlement is Lal Duzwala, V. Lal Duzwala.
Vilal Duzwala is the new director
Yes, Your
of
Lordship.
revenue.
Land and Revenue and Settlement Department.
Okay, and the home?
Home is Sri Vanal Moya.
Vanal Moya.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, you are for?
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. Sizoram Chana, for our true, and we have no objection for the implement.
What is your name?
Mal Sompluangi.
Heard Ms. Malsom, Tluangi Learned Counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks, put S, huh? Applicants. The applicants seek implement of Sri Vanal Moya, who is the new incumbent holding the post of Secretary to the Government of Mizoram, Home Department, and Sri V. Lal Duzwala, the new incumbent holding the post of Director of Land Revenue and Settlement Department, as respondent numbers 10 and 11 respectively. Stop. The Learned Counsel submits that implement of the said new incumbents is necessary for effective compliance of the court's direction. Stop. Next para, in view of above. No. Next para. Miss, your good name?
Lalwat Feli,
Miss Lalwat Feli, Learned Counsel,
R2.
appearing on behalf of respondent number 2. And you?
H.C. Deborah for respondent number 8.
And Miss H.C. Deborah, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 8. Have no objection to the prayer. Stop. Next para, in view of above, the application for implement of Sri Vanlal Moya and Sri Vilal Duzwala as respondent numbers 10 and 11 in the connected contempt petition is hereby allowed. Stop. IA stands disposed of. Next, in the main contempt petition, you write, in view of the order passed today in IA C number 188 of 2024, Sri Vanlal Moya, Secretary to the Government of Mizoram, Home Department, and Sri Vilal Duzwala, Director of Land Revenue and Settlement Department, are hereby impleaded as respondent numbers 10 and 11, respectively. Stop. The petitioners shall file the amended cause title in 2 sets before the registry. Whereafter, the registry shall do the needful. Next para. Issue notice to the newly impleaded respondent numbers 10 and 11, returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioners shall take steps for service of notice upon them by registered post with ADDU within 3 days. Make it within 1 week. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 1.
Your Worship, in this matter, I filed the additional affidavit, but I filed it on Friday. It is not on record, Your Worship.
Additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Worship, in the last order. And the government advocate was directed to obtain instructions.
Yes, who was the counsel appearing?
My lord, Miss
Caroline.
Caroline is appearing and
Wait.
she's on lag, my lord. If this matter may be passed over for the time being.
Mr. Malhotra? We'll pass it over. What is that affidavit you said you filed?
Your Worship, regarding the petitioner was also holding the post of Joint Secretary, ICT, on ex officio basis. So I have filed an affidavit showing the appointment order of the petitioner as Joint Secretary, ICT, on ex officio basis.
When did you file? Today?
Friday.
On Friday. It is not on record.
Not yet.
Can you just inquire?
Can you have that?
And get it tagged.
Yes.
Please write like this. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has filed the additional affidavit as permitted by this court on Friday was a holiday.
Sorry, 14.
On 14/11/2024. Stop. It is, however, seen that the same is not available on the case record of office to verify and connect it to the file. And thereafter list the matter again tomorrow, that is 19/11/2024.
I'm okay.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Item number 2.
My lord, in this matter, for the newly pleaded respondent number 7, steps have already been taken, but ID card has not yet returned. Service may be awaited.
When did you take steps?
5th August.
5th August,
Yes.
September, August, September, November, September, October, November. More than 3 months now. Who is respondent number 7?
State Project Director.
Notice was sent on 6th August. You took steps on 5th August. It was sent from the registry on 6th August. And Lalsang Liana, State Project Director.
Yes.
He's still there?
Yes.
Holding the post? What was the direction of this court?
In this contempt petition.
Yes. To consider and dispose the representation
Yes, my lord.
within 3 months.
Yes, my lord.
Who is supposed to dispose it?
Respondent number 7.
7?
Yeah, yes, my lord, because we have submitted a representation in to respondent number 7, State Project Director.
Do one thing, why don't you take fresh steps by way of Dasti?
Yes, my lord.
Because had it been less than 3 months, I would have directed for the tracking of postal consignment. But after 3 months, I don't think it's possible. Please write. Grievance projected by the petitioners is non-disposal of their representation by the respondent number 7 in terms of the court's order dated 3/11/2023, passed in WPC number 135 of 2023, whereby the respondents were directed to consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petitioners with a speaking order within 3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the order. Next para. Pursuant to the steps taken by the petitioners for service of notice upon respondent number 7 on 5/8/2024, notice was sent to respondent number 7 on 6/8/2024. Stop. However, neither AD card nor unserved notice has returned back. Stop. As such, the petitioners are allowed to serve notice to respondent number 7 by way of Dasti within 10 days from today through the registry of this court. First of the petitioners shall thereafter file an affidavit as proof of service. List the matter again after
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Item number 3.
My lord, in this matter, state has to file their affidavit.
You only two lawyers. What happened?
I think they are on legs in another courtroom.
Although Ms. Bilal Ramnemi, counsel for the petitioners is present, no one appears for the state respondents. To stop, it is seen that the state respondents have not filed their counter affidavit. You are here in this case.
Ms. Lalnun, who is appearing in this case, and she have not yet filed her affidavit in opposition.
So, where is she?
She's on legs in the other courtroom, my lord.
Okay, cancel the order. Right, like this. Miss Bilal Ramnemi, learned counsel, appears for the petitioners. Stop. Miss Caroline K. Lumoipui, learned government advocate, submits that the matter is handled by Miss Lalnun Louis, learned government advocate. Oh, she's here. How much time do you require? 3 weeks time. Just put the first sentence, okay? Miss Bilal Lalnemi appears for the petitioners. Stop. On the prayer of Miss Lalnun Louis, learned government advocate, further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. Stop. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
For hearing, item numbers 7 and 8.
Yes.
Lordship, I am here for the appellant. Lordship, if this matter may kindly come up on Thursday or as per the convenience of the court.
Why? Why not today?
Because, Lordship, we are not ready to have the hearing today.
No, who will be conducting the case?
My senior Joseph Latsanhima.
Okay.
Right now, Lordship is having hearing in courtroom number 3.
Okay. So when will it be convenient to conduct the case?
This coming Thursday,
Thursday.
if possible, Lordship.
Okay, as paid for on behalf of Mr. Joseph L. Rentley, learned counsel for the appellant. List the matter again on Thursday. Give the date.
21st.
21st.
Much obliged.
Local law.